Γεια σας! Καλώς ήρθατε σε ένα ακόμη μάθημα. Today I am going to explain to you how to use the Greek word μήπως. I know it is a quite confusing conjunction because it is used in different ways, and the hardest thing is that when we try to translate into English a Greek sentence, especially a question, in the English sentence there is not an equivalent word. For example, in Greek we say «Μήπως έχεις αναπτήρα?» But in English we say «Do you have a lighter?» At the end of this lesson you will be able to use this Greek small word, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular lessons and let's get started. The word μήπως means maybe. This is why many Greek language learners sometimes use it instead of the word ίσως. Maybe. For example, they say μήπως θα επισκεφτώ την Ελλάδα φέτος. They want to say maybe I will visit Greece this year, but it is wrong. In this case we have to use the word ίσως. Ίσως επισκεφτώ την Ελλάδα φέτος. Maybe I will visit Greece this year. So, in statements we use the word ίσως. We use the word μήπως only in questions in direct or indirect speech. Let's see again the first example. Μήπως έχεις αναπτήρα? Μήπως έχεις αναπτήρα? It is a direct question. Obviously, if we say έχεις αναπτήρα? Do you have a lighter? The other person will say yes or not, and this is what we want to learn, but the word μήπως denotes the uncertainty. Γιώργο, μήπως είσαι ακόμη στο σούπερ μάρκετ? Τέλειωσε το γάλα. Γιώργο, μήπως είσαι ακόμη στο σούπερ μάρκετ? Τελείωσε το γάλα. George, are you still at the supermarket? The milk is finished. It is all gone. Μήπως έχουν παρενέργειες αυτά τα χάπια? Μήπως έχουν παρενέργειες αυτά τα χάπια? Do these pills have side effects? Ίσως έρθω το βράδυ. Μήπως θέλεις να φέρω κάτι? Ίσως έρθω το βράδυ. Μήπως θέλεις να φέρω κάτι? Maybe I will come at night. Do you want me to bring anything? Let's see some indirect questions. Με ρώτησε μήπως έχω αναπτήρα. So, in indirect questions, we can translate the word μήπως as if. He asked me if I have a lighter. In Greek too, in the indirect questions, we can replace the word μήπως with the word αν. If. Με ρώτησε αν έχω αναπτήρα. He or she asked me if I have a lighter. Μήπως έχεις ώρα? Μήπως έχεις ώρα? Do you have the time? Με ρώτησε μήπως έχω ώρα. Με ρώτησε μήπως έχω ώρα. He asked me if I have the time. Με ρωτάει αν έχω ώρα. Με ρωτάει αν έχω ώρα. He or she asks me if I have the time. But the word μήπως is not only used to ask a question directly or indirectly. It can also be used in expressions of fear after a verb that it means to be afraid, to worry. Let's see the most often used verbs. Φοβάμαι. Φοβάμαι, to be afraid. Ανησυχώ. Ανησυχώ, to worry. Αγωνιώ. Αγωνιώ, to be anxious. After one of these verbs, the word μήπως means lest. Φοβήθηκα μήπως σου έχει συμβεί κάτι. Φοβήθηκα μήπως σου έχει συμβεί κάτι. I was afraid that something have happened to you. Ανησυχώ μήπως χαθούμε. Ανησυχώ μήπως χαθούμε. I am worrying of getting lost. Αγωνιώ μήπως δεν φτάσουμε στην ώρα μας. Αγωνιώ μήπως δεν φτάσουμε στην ώρα μας. I am anxious that perhaps we will not arrive on time. And that's all for today. Don't forget that you can find all the notes in my blog. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Εμείς θα τα πούμε την επόμενη εβδομάδα. Γεια σας!